அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Today we are going to learn higher secondary second year economics. Chapter 12 Introduction to Statistical Methods and Econometrics. Multiple choice questions. The word statistics is used as singular and plural, none of above. Singular and plural. Who stated that statistics as a science of estimates and probabilities? Horace Secrist, R.A. Fisher, Yalun Cho, Boddington. Boddington. Sources of secondary data are published sources, unpublished sources, neither published nor unpublished sources, both A and B. Both A and B. The data collected by questionnaires are primary data, secondary data, published data, grouped data. Primary data. A measure of the strength of the linear relationship that exists between two variables is called slope, intercept, correlation coefficient, regression equation. Correlation coefficient. If both variables x and y increase or decrease simultaneously, then the coefficient of correlation will be positive, negative, 0, 1. Positive. If the points on the scatter diagram indicate that as one variable increases, the other variable tends to decrease, the value of R will be perfect positive, perfect negative, negative, 0. Negative. The value of the coefficient of correlation R lies between 0 and 1, minus 1 and 0, minus 1 and plus 1, minus 0.5 and plus 0.5, minus 1 and plus 1. The term regression was used by Newton, Pearson, Spearman, Galton. Galton. The purpose of simple linear regression analysis is to predict one variable from another variable, replace points on a scattered diagram by a straight line, measures the degree to which two variables are linearly associated, obtain the expected value of the independent random variable for a given value of the dependent variable, predict one variable from another variable. A process by which we estimate the value of independent variable on the basis of one or more independent variable is called correlation, regression, residual slope. Regression. If y is equal to 2 minus 0.2x, then the value of y-intercept is equal to minus 0.2 to 0.2x, all of the above. 2. In the regression equation, y is equal to beta 0 plus beta 1x. The y is called independent variable, dependent variable, continuous variable, none of the above. Dependent variable. In the regression equation, y is equal to beta 0 plus beta 1x. The x is called independent variable, dependent variable, continuous variable, none of the above. Independent variable. Econometrics is the integration of economics and statistics, economics and mathematics, economics, mathematics and statistics, none of the above. Economics, mathematics and statistics. Econometric is the word coined by Francis Galton, Ragnar Friis, Karl Pearson, Spearman. Ragnar Friis. The raw materials of econometrics are data, goods, statistics, mathematics. Data. The term U in regression equation is residuals, standard error, stochastic error term, none. Stochastic error term. The term U is introduced for the representation of omitted variable, standard error, bias, discrete variable. Omitted variable. Econometrics is the amalgamation of 3 subjects, 4 subjects, 2 subjects, 5 subjects, 3 subjects.